Alright, let's talk about something that might completely change how you see your garden. Imagine this: instead of waging war against weeds, you start seeing them as your next meal. Sounds crazy? Stick with me, because this is where things get fascinating. Here's the thing: most of us are taught to treat weeds like the enemy, right? They're the uninvited guests in our perfectly planned gardens, the ones we spend hours pulling out. But what if I told you that many of these so-called pests are not only edible but actually delicious? Personally, I think this is where gardening gets really interesting. It's not just about growing what you plant, it's about discovering what's already there, waiting to be appreciated. Take hairy bittercress, for example. The name alone sounds like something you'd want to avoid, but here's the twist: it's a tangy, refreshing addition to salads or sandwiches when picked young. What many people don't realize is that this weed is practically everywhere, especially in freshly disturbed soil. If you take a step back and think about it, nature is basically handing us a free, nutritious snack. Why fight it? Now, let's talk about stinging nettles. I know, the name is enough to make you cringe, especially if you've ever brushed against them as a kid. But here's where it gets intriguing: nettles are like the underdog of the plant world. Once you cook them, they lose their sting and transform into something incredible. In my opinion, they're way better than spinach, richer in flavor, better in texture, and packed with nutrients. It's like nature's way of saying, "You thought I was a nuisance? Think again." Chickweed is another one that's often overlooked.